Alright guys, so welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. First things first, haven't done any videos in a while because I've been busy working my regular job. But what we're going to do today is cut some pine logs into 1-inch boards because I have a chicken coop I have to build for someone. I cut the 4x4s the other day, but we're going to be cutting all pine today. I need to cut like 2 or 3 of them, but we'll see what happens. But first things first, we're gonna drop this, get the leaves and crap out of here. We'll re-grab the log. We'll cut the ends off, both sides, so that the boards are nice and clean. Then we'll set it over on the sawmill and get her going. All right, so there's a bunch of leaves in here. I'm going to drop this log over in the woods, get rid of the leaves, pick it up again, bring it out here in the open. again. Another good board. These logs look like crap though. Pine makes really nice lumber. Board number 3 in the book. Alright, this should be the last cut. Alright, so that little log we got 6 boards out of. Perfect.